Okay, hello friends, welcome back to our training video here on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on Bitget, and what we're talking about this moment is how to change your login password on Bitget Exchange. You know, there are a lot of reasons why we may do this. Most times you feel that your password is already compromised, someone else know about it and all that, so there's need for you to change it. All this is money, you can't just trust anyone, so there's need to do this. So once you are here on Bitget Exchange right now, and the same thing you can do for any other exchange where you have your money, you can see we're already here now where we have home, we have market, we have trade, we have features, and we have assets. But see where we're going to look at now. Look at the top left here. Are you seeing this place? That top left where you have those drop down. So let's click on it. When you click on it, you are going to find yourself in a place like this. So this is where you have your account. For those of us, anytime you're asked to copy a UID, that is like this. Now what we want to do, just look at this. At this point, are you seeing an arrow here? There's an arrow here. Please, very important. There's an arrow here. Yes. Click on it. Now, when you click on it, you're going to find yourself exactly in a place like this. And this also makes everything so clear. You can see my UID. This shows here very clearly. This is my display name. I can still change this username, but I'm not interested in it. I'm a verified user. So some of those things. So while you are here now, you click on security. You understand? On security, you can see, and this is another thing I'm going to show you. There are many ways you can secure your account very well. You can see I have a very strong, so many security system. I'm using Google. I have my passkey. I'm using Google Authenticator. I'm using my email, I'm using my mobile. Yeah, the system say my security level is still moderate. That is now still strong. So you can see there are a lot of things you can always do to, make it stronger and all that. By the time I click here now, I'm going to see what I may need to do to make it stronger. But that's not the issue. I want to also see how to change login password, and that's exactly this. Look at the login password. So click on it. When you now click on it, the system doesn't care about what your former password is. Immediately you click there, it's assumed you want to reset your login password. Look at it. You are going to reset your login password. And the system said, look, read this. There's this right up here. It says, once you reset your password, any withdrawals and P2P sales will be put on a temporary hold for 24 hours. So within this time you change, you are going to reset your password. You won't do P2P, you won't do withdrawal until 24 hours. So you're going to wait for almost a whole day. Prepare to do this. It's for your safety. So at that moment, in this place now, which you shouldn't allow any other person to see, put your new password and confirm the same. Make sure when you are creating the password, to make the password strong, let it be at least more than 8 characters, but it shouldn't be more than 32 characters. That's between 8 and 32. And then it must have at least one uppercase letter, one number, and symbol as well. So make sure it's a mixture of uppercase letter, small, lowercase letter, number, symbol. You can use a symbol of dollar, naira, anything, question mark, stuff like that. And make sure you put something you can easily remember. It's not always good that every time you've forgotten your password, you're going to do another one change. You don't do that. You get to a point where you're going to get into trouble. There are ways you can easily get all of these things. Somebody might use the first 3 letters of your name. The first one starting with capital letter. You understand? Then bring in the last letter of the last 3 letters of your surname, join, bring some dates. Those dates may be, it could even be, maybe you have 2 children, you call it 02. There are a lot of ways to form this that you can always remember. It could be the year you got married, let's say, okay, 1993 or 2020, 2020. You know, there is a reason why you bring, you don't just come up and wake up and bring out number. If you don't have any reason where these numbers are coming from, you can easily forget it. But whenever you get numbers for your password based on something that relates to you, maybe so many others may not know about it, but you know it. The number of my children, when my first daughter got to school, how old is, you know, all those stuff. This particular, the year I joined this, you know, you put it. Then you look for one special character. It could be naira sign, it could be dollar sign, it could be question mark, it could be even question mark, dollar and naira sign. So all of this, by the time you mix it up, you're already having a strong password. And it will be something you will also remember. Please, very important. And once you do that, you now click on submit, and that is it. 24 hours later, you see that you're already with a new password. So if there's someone else that already have access to your password, that is gone. The person can no longer access this. So that is exactly how this stuff is done. I wish you the best as you go through this. If this video makes sense, please don't fail to give us a thumbs up. Share this video so that others can benefit from it. If you are new to our channel, do well to subscribe. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. Thank you.